We moved in 6 months ago. This is what we had. This is what we have now. Hey friends, Nicole here. I am so excited to do a clean with me, my very first clean with me. It's always fun to feel inspired and have someone to clean with. So we are cleaning our master bedroom today. As you can see, it was covered in bright blue paint and a nice deer border when we first moved in. And I think we have made some nice upgrades to the room. There's still some things to be done, as you can see with the half painted trim around the windows, but hopefully that will get done as the weather gets warmer. Does anyone else struggle so hard with folding giant blankets? I can literally never figure out which corner matches which corner no matter how many times I fold the same blanket. I hope I'm not the only one that struggles. As I said, we are in the middle of a massive remodel, and so our son was actually sleeping in the bathroom, master bathroom attached to our bedroom, because we were painting in his room and I just didn't want him sleeping in there with all the fumes. So a lot of odd things, including that table. We actually ate dinner in our room a couple of nights because it was the cleanest space in the house while we put in our new kitchen cabinets. So sometimes you just gotta make things work. One of the things we decided to do, because the master bedroom is so big compared to other bedrooms we've had, was actually move our treadmill and workout equipment into our bedroom. It just felt like a waste of space not to have something useful like exercise equipment in our room. So we'll see how we like it. I love my husband to pieces, but sharing a closet at our old house was really hard because we both have different definitions of cleanliness in our closet. This is actually my husband's closet, and he has lots of drawers because he has a lot of t-shirts, but we have used the Marie Kondo organizing tips, and it's really helped kind of get some order in our closets. This is the storage that came in the closets. We're still kind of messing with it and seeing if it's how we're going to want to keep it. Does anyone else have that pile of not really dirty, but definitely not clean clothes laying beside their bed? This is definitely a chronic problem for me and my husband. I was a die-hard Kirby fan until I recently got this Dyson vacuum, and it's not the greatest during a remodel because it's a little bit sensitive to what can be vacuumed up without ruining the vacuum. But as far as lightness, easy to use, makes me want to vacuum more often, this Dyson is it. I'll go ahead and link it below in case anyone is interested.
Sometimes, like every once in a while, cleaning gets deep around here, but honestly, we're just trying to keep up with everyday stuff, so deep cleaning just doesn't happen that much. I'm excited when my bed is made and I vacuum, and that was really fun to do it with you today. I would love to know what you think should go on this wall behind me here above my bed. Don't mind the nightstand, that's on my husband's to-do list, but not a priority right now. I have a few ideas, and I'm gonna show them to you here. I would love to know what, in the comments, which one you think we should do behind our bed, or maybe you're like, you have the worst style ever, don't do any of those. Also, this blanket, I really want, there it is, really want a nice like big crocheted blanket, and I feel like navy blue might look good in this room, as well as for this mirror on our wall. And this dresser behind me, thinking about navy blue, I don't know. Is that not cool anymore? Let me know in the comments. As you probably saw, our room is still in the Marie Kondo way of things for the most part, in our closets at least. But we use this amazing laundry hack in our kids' rooms, and you should definitely check out this video if you haven't already, because it will save you so much time.